Good morning, student. After a long time, we are meeting here. We are meeting now. Okay, student, your half-yearly examination is completed now. And today in science class, I will give you your annual examination syllabus. So everyone take your book and tick mark the chapters which are contained in UTN annual examination. Okay. In UT second, the chapter 8 Safety and First Aid, Chapter 9 Air Around Us, and Chapter 10 Water for All. These three chapters are UT second syllabus. First time right here. Today's date 5 December 2020. Okay, the day is Saturday. This is your science class. And first I will give you your UT second syllabus. Unit second syllabus. Unit second syllabus is chapter 8. Chapter 8 is safety and first aid. Safety and first aid. Okay. Then second chapter 9, that is air around us. Air around us. Okay. Then next chapter 10. Chapter 10. Chapter 10 is water for all. Okay, students, these three chapters are in unit second. Okay, so everyone take now in your book here chapter 8, chapter 9 and chapter 10 also. Okay, then move to the today's class, and today's class is in science class chapter 8. First chapter is according to your UT second syllabus. Your first chapter is chapter 8, that is chapter 8 safety and first aid. This is your chapter. Okay, student. And chapter 8 safety and first aid, your reading is completed and your explanation is completed now, and book exercise also completed now by your science teacher. Okay, today we will discuss about the copy work from this chapter. So listen everyone very carefully. If your previous copy is filled now, then you make no new copy. If your copy is not filled, you have some pages left, half copy is left now, then you make you all of you write now all things in your copies. Suppose that like this is your student, this is your science copy like this, and you have left many pages. So everyone, first here you fold this page just like this, you fold this page this type of. Okay, and you mention here UT second, and you just write now here complete starting now here your work. Okay, no need for make new copy in this pandemic situation, and this time winter season is started now, student. One more thing, be careful for this season, because in this season you are suffering for seasoning and cough and cold. So be careful, you wear now warm clothes. Okay, and don't move here and there outside from your home. You stay home with your parents and you listen each and everything with your elders, what they are saying now. Okay, then come to the today's class work. Understand? So if you have left some pages, then you continue that copy. Okay, then first is today your topic is chapter 8, safety and first aid, and I will give you some hard words from this chapter. Your heading is hard words. Hard words from this chapter. First word is here. Accident. Second word is safety. Third is footpath. Number 4 is subway. Number 5, zebra crossing. Okay. Number 6 is lifeguard. Number 7 is first aid. Number 8 is here stranger. And number 9 is here. Number 9, pollution. Then next is number last. 10 number is pedestrian light. Okay. These 10 hard words, all of you write now in your copy very neatly. First, accident. The first word is accident. What is the meaning of this word? Accident means the sudden happening that is harmful for us. Okay. Then second word is safety. Safety means to take some precautions, and we are following now some rules. When we are walking now on the road, that time we have to follow now some traffic rules. When we are learning swimming, that time we are follow now some swimming pool rules. It means to take some precautions and that avoid the accident. Okay, then footpath means a very narrow path that is inside the road to walking now, busy road inside. Okay, then next is subway. This word is number 4 is subway. Subway is a tunnel that is made by very busy road, very busy traffic. Okay, that is subway. Zebra crossing, it is a black and white strips, and it is made on the road when we are using cross the road. Okay, it is a black and white strips on the road. Lifeguard, it is a safety guard. When we are learning now when we are learning swimming, that time we are using now. First aid means this word first. Here is word first. First aid means when we are injured. Suppose that you are in a school and you fall down in a classroom. So the first help give you, that is first aid. It means the first victim that you give now, That is first stage. Stranger. Number 8. Stranger. Stranger means the people, that unknown people. It means you don't know that people. Okay. Then next is number 9 is pollution. Pollution means pollution is a different kinds of like that land, water, air, soil. When you are growing now, you read about the pollution. Pollution means that it is contaminated air. It means that is air pollution. If contaminated water, that is water pollution. It means dirty water. Okay. When contaminated sound, it means that is sound pollution. Okay. Then this one, it is different kinds of. Then number 10 is pedestrian light. It is a special kind of light in a traffic signal. When we are showing now traffic signal, when it is in green color, when one man is walking in a position in green color showing now, it means that time you cross the road, and it is a special type of light, special sign, special symbol of light, and its color is green color, walking man. Okay, it means these 10 hard words are done now. Then move to the question answer from this chapter, because your exercise, book exercise is done now, and explanation is also done now. So today we will complete now the question answer from this chapter. Okay students, hope all of you done now the hard words in your copy. Students, yes you know, and you do know you work very neatly. Okay, then turn to next page in your copy. The next topic is learn and write. It means this is question answer. Answer the following questions. Question number 1 is here. According to your book, first question is write 3 safety rules when you are in a moving bus. It means your bus is moving now. Okay, first question right now everyone. Write 3 safety rules when you are in a moving bus. This is your question according to book. It means what type of rules we are follow now in a moving bus. First is do not stand up. Means don't stand up. Don't stand up. Don't stand up in a moving bus. First is, if you are standing now in a moving bus, maybe you fall down. Okay. Then second is never put your hand. This is second point. Never put your arm. Never put your arm or head. Some students are nodding now, or they are doing now this type of work. Okay, so this is very harmful for you. Never put your arm and head out of the moving bus. Okay, this is your second point. Then third point is here right now everyone. Third point is do not disturb the driver. Do not disturb the driver. Do not disturb the driver. If you are making a noise, if you are making a noise, if you are shouting now in a bus, it means your driver is disturbed now, or maybe accidents are occur. So don't do this type of work. Okay, student. Then first question is completed now. Then move to the next question. Question number 2. Question number 2 is here. Write the safety rule that you should follow while swimming in a pool. Question I write now here. Write the safety rules that you should follow while swimming in a pool. Which type of rules we are swimming in a pool? I'll just give you some points. Answer number 2. So everyone write now here. First is, when you are learning now swimming, it means do not pull. First point is right now everyone. Do not pull or push. Do not pull or push anybody into the water. That is very harmful. If you are pushing now anyone, that is harmful. Okay, maybe accidents are occurred now there. So do not pull or push anybody into the water. Number 2 is here. Second point is here. Be careful while swimming. Means when you are swimming now in a pool, when you are learning now swimming, that time be careful. Second point you write now in your copy. Be careful while swimming. Then third point is, do not swim just after meal. These 3 points are meals. If you are eating now anything, it means that time you are not going in a swimming pool. Okay. These first and second questions everyone write now in your copy, and your work should be neat and clean.